Green, 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 green. Ooh. Green, 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 green. Oh.
Hey guys, welcome back to Jill Comfort Zone, Jill Comfort Zone, Jill Comfort Zone. Yes, so welcome back to Jill's Comfort Zone. If you're new here, pull up a seat and come join us. Hit the subscribe button and turn it gray. Come on and join us over here. And click the notification bell so you can be reminded of when I am coming to you with a new video. Hey, happy Saturday, guys. Yes, and you know what it is. Healthy Moments with Jill. Let's get it in. Healthy Moments every Saturday, 8 p.m. Eastern Time. And today, I am also including, because this is my last day of the 5 Veggie Challenge. The 5-day, I'm tongue-tied. 5-day Veggie Challenge, okay? Which was created by my sissy, Eating with K Cotton. So don't forget, it's not too late to join. You can start your 5-day Veggie Challenge today and rock it out. Just don't forget to hashtag 5-day Veggie Challenge, Eating with K Cotton. No meat. Just remember that. So today I am coming to you with, we are having spaghetti squash salad. Yes. So instead of pasta salad, it's going to be spaghetti squash salad, veggie salad. All right. So we're going to get into the video. Listen, I'm going to meet you back here at the counter, and we are about to put this delicious salad together first time here at Jill's Comfort Zone. Y'all ready? So let's go. Welcome back, guys. So here you have it. We have our veggies that is going to go in our spaghetti squash veggie salad, okay? So yes, so we have some carrots, we have some jalapeno peppers, we have some we have some broccoli, cauliflower, green, yellow, orange, and red green peppers. We have some red onions, we have some green onions, some sliced cucumbers, and we have some chickpeas and black and green pitted olives, okay? And then what we're going to dress these with is just 3 simple ingredients: some Italian dressing, salad supreme, and some complete seasoning. And then let me show you I roasted our spaghetti squash there. So all I have to do is go ahead and start pulling the filling out with a fork, and then I'll be back to show you how we're going to plate this delicious dish up. Be right back. Just going to cook these down a little bit because Jazzy don't like them too raw, so just a little bit. They still gonna have the crunch. I seasoned them with the complete seasoning, and voila, we're gonna let these cool down, get our salad ready, and then place them in. All right, guys, I tell you, this is a wonderful summertime dish. But like I said, this is a wonderful summer dish. It's getting hot. Put as much as you like. I like to go and do this, little by little, just until I get the right taste. So this is my first time doing this lovely dish. So I think this is a delicious salad for the summertime. We're going to stir this up, and then you want to put this in the fridge. I think this will be fabulous marinated overnight. This would be the most, I can't wait to taste this, so I can let you guys know how this is going to turn out. So I'm going to put this in the fridge. Fortunately, I know you guys are waiting for me to taste it. So I'm going to taste some before I put it in the fridge. So I'm sure it will taste even much better once it's been marinating overnight. But don't this look good, y'all? Come on. Who doesn't love a good, healthy, refreshing salad on a hot day? Even in the winter. I eat linguine salads, all kind of salads in the winter, but I think this is nice and refreshing. The cucumbers and all that good stuff. I'm going to put a little bit more, and then I'm going to cover this up, put it in the fridge. I can't wait to sit down and really enjoy this delicious salad. This is my day 5 veggie challenge. I'll be right back. All right, let's finish this baby up. Just sprinkle a little bit more salad supreme on top, just to give that little top a nice little color. And some fresh parsley on top. And voila. That's it, guys. I'm about to put this baby in the fridge. And woo! We are done with our 5-day veggie challenge. Thank you, K Cotton, for this wonderful, 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 wonderful challenge. Give us a chance to refuel our bodies and detox, from all the meat and the grease. Even though we had a little bit of grease by using like the fried, me frying a little bit, still was very healthy. So, all right, guys, I'll be back with the taste test. Hey, guys, I'm back. Yes, I am. And I'm back to taste this delicious spaghetti squash salad. Okay? I'm going to give y'all the first bite. Okay? Because I love y'all like that. If this fork would just do its thing, take that. Oh, yeah. Let's see. Imagine this stuff come out the fridge, nice and cold. Baby. This is what you need in your life on these hot days. One more bite. I love it. Those onions. Do you have it? Spaghetti squash. Excuse me. Mama said don't talk with your mouth full, huh? Spaghetti squash summer salad. That's what I'm going to call it. Very tasty, very flavorful. You will truly enjoy it. And the crunch of all those veggies and it's just truly delicious. Yes. You see my new shirt? Hey, shout out to my girl Coco. Tell him, check your faith, baby. Yes, honey, you better tell him, Coco. Go check her out. Great channel. She keeps it real. I gave her a shout out before, so if you haven't been there yet, get there, like Carter Eats says, okay? So yes, check your faith. She got some merch. I love my shirt. I love my shirt. Let me stop. All right, yes, God. So do you have it? Another Saturday with Healthy Moments with Jill. Every Saturday, 8 p.m. Eastern Time. I'll see you next Saturday. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to thumbs it up and share me out to your family and friends. All I want to do is love on them while they love on me. Oh, yes. Love, love, love. And this is my last day. I made it. The 5-day veggie challenge created by Eating with K Cotton. Yes. So it's not too late to join. Go ahead and start your 5-day veggie challenge and have fun with it. Have fun. It was a lot of work this week. But as I said for the word yesterday, okay, respect your hustle. Love your hustle. Invest in your hustle. And your hustle means invested in your health as well. So, these veggies did me good. Trust me. Oh, I was flushing out. But for real, guys, I had a fun time doing this challenge. Thank you again, K Cotton, for this wonderful veggie challenge. I had a good time creating new dishes, having fun in the kitchen. It was challenging. It was very rough working through the weekend, coming home, filming every day. Yeah, I'm a day behind, but I'm on time because God said, hey, and every day you wake up is a new day and another chance to make it right and do the things that you love to do and also do his work. So with that being said, guys, don't forget, hit that subscribe button and come join the family, and turn that subscribe button gray. Hit the notification bell so you can be reminded of when I am coming to you with more videos. And comment down below, let me know what you think about this recipe and what you would like to see next. I will be making those dishes for those requests that I have been receiving. So stay tuned for those dishes. And as I always say, I love you. Stay blessed. And peace out. Until next time. Whew! I'm taking a break. I'm tired. Yeah. See you later, guys.